Let's get it. We are keeping that education train rolling, and today we are talking about BNB, the native token to Binance. At the time of recording, BNB comes in at number 4 in terms of market cap, so we're going to dive into it and let you know a little bit more about what makes it so special. So let's go. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Cabin. My name is Tom, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the BNB token native to Binance and the Binance Smart Chain. If you're new to this channel and enjoy this type of content, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and then click the little notification bell, select all so you get notified when I post these new videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into BNB. Binance's BNB, the up-and-coming cryptocurrency. Binance's BNB token offers several benefits, such as 50% or more trading fee discounts and special features in the Binance ecosystem, making it one of the most sought-after tokens on the market today. Yet few people actually know what it's all about, or how you can get your hands on some of it, or why it's so important to have in the first place. In this video, we'll discuss the background and value of BNB. What is Binance Coin? BNB is the native currency of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume. Binance Coin can be used for trading on their platform, paying for listing fees, and other various services provided by the company. It is also the first decentralized cryptocurrency that rewards holders with a 50% reduction in transaction fees when they use it to trade on their own exchange. At the time of recording, Binance Coin currently fluctuates between 4th and 5th position as a global coin, according to CoinMarketCap, with a market cap of roughly $43.8 billion. What is Binance? In 2017, CZ or Changpeng Zhao started the crypto-to-crypto exchange called Binance. It started with a $2 million investment and has now become the most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the world. In July 2017, only 3 months after launching their platform, they amassed a $2 million worth of trading volume and had to temporarily close new registrations due to server overload. Since then, they have grown quickly and are still growing rapidly. They raised $15 million in an ICO and launched their own token called BNB. They also use their own blockchain, which is called the Binance Smart Chain. One of its features is that it can handle about 1.4 billion transactions per second, which is significantly faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin can do roughly 3 transactions per second, and Ethereum roughly 10. The blockchain solves this problem by using a proof-of-stake algorithm instead of a proof-of-work algorithm as seen in Bitcoin. When someone wants to process a transaction on the network, they have to pay for every node they want to transmit data to using tokens. The Binance Smart Chain uses this algorithm because it's cheaper and more efficient, since there's no need for mining computers to validate these transactions. With so many users on the network at any given time, miner fees would add up extremely quickly. So it would lead to increased costs for people trying to transact with them, thereby decreasing demand for them as well, since fewer people would be able to afford them. BNB is deflationary. BNB is one of those cryptocurrency coins that is designed to gradually reduce the number of units in circulation over time. Whenever you use BNB for trading fees, 20% are auto-burned and destroyed forever. Binance also has a quarterly burn and has been doing so since 2017. Burning means they take the coins that they have and they send them to an unspendable address or wallet. To date, Binance has burned 38 million BNB and has its sights set on burning as many as 100 million, which would be 50% of their circulating supply. So where can I buy BNB? BNB is a coin that can be bought on Binance, the exchange where it was created. It is also possible to buy BNB using fiat currencies such as USD or Euros. For example, one could buy BNB by exchanging $100 with 1 BNB. This can be done on Binance and FTX. You can also trade it with USDT on Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi, and Poloniex, to name a few. If you ever aren't sure where to buy a certain coin, go to CoinMarketCap, select the coin you want to buy, hit markets, and all of the different exchanges and trading pairs will show up there. When trading on Binance, transaction fees can be steep. However, the Binance Smart Chain allows all transactions to occur on the blockchain, which means you can save big time. This has been a boon for users who trade in small volumes or have limited funds, because you don't pay a lot to use this service. For those with heavier budgets, it also helps us save money while trading, as it cuts transaction costs in half. In other words, if we're buying $1,000 worth of coins, you may have to pay only a $5 transaction fee instead of $10 if we were going to go with a regular system. If you want to learn more and test this stuff out for yourself, there is going to be a referral link to Binance down in the description below. When you register and deposit more than $50 into your account, we'll both get a $100 USD cashback voucher. We have covered almost everything from the history of the coin to what makes it different than other coins. Now it is time to decide if this coin is right for you. As a reminder, investing in any cryptocurrency carries risks. There are no guarantees that your investment will yield high profits or even remain intact at all. However, if you are looking for an interesting new way to invest your money, then this may be a good place to start. Keep in mind that just like Bitcoin, there is no such thing as owning shares in BNB, so don't expect any dividends or increases in value just because the company does well. So that is it for today, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got some value out of this video, please scroll on down, leave this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit the little notification bell as well. Select all so you get notified for when I post these new videos. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I will see you next time on the next episode from the Crypto Cabin. Let's get it.